and here's the flood. There's our boat out there to our house. That's the road out there. There's our bench tied to the tree, almost completely underwater. And our steps, almost completely underwater. And there's our mailbox out there. Right in front of the mailbox, if you can see it, it's a black mailbox, is the road, of course. Going across, you can see our neighbor's house there. Their side yard. Lots of debris come up. We had a few trees knocked out. So, quite a bit of flooding here. Quite a bit of debris down.